In this video, we're going to teach you how to think like an inventor. Now, this is either the first or the last video that you came to in this series. And if you remember in one of the previous videos, I talked about how you don't think in a straight line, that things are coming at you in all directions and you have to be doing things all at once. I wanted to set the foundation for what it takes for you to start thinking like an inventor. Now, I hope you got it through your head that you can make a lot more money making the products yourself than you ever will licensing your idea. That is a theme that is prevalent through this entire series. So I hope you will learn something from those videos. In addition to that, we talked about what it takes to market your products on the internet and really start selling them. But before you could do that, you had to learn how to make the products. And we haven't talked yet about what it takes to actually design and manufacture them. We're just laying the foundation to give you an idea of what it's going to take. And as we said, it's not going to be easy. It's going to take a lot of hard work. I'm going to leave a link below to the Think Like an Inventor series. Make sure you watch all those videos before you go on to our design series and learn about what you can do to start inventing your products. We also talked about a lot of other things. We talked about how there's a lot of people out there that are vying for your business as an inventor, but not in the ways we think. Yes, there's a lot of 3D printing services, CNC machine shops, water jet, all those types of businesses looking for you. But there are also people out there playing on your emotions and your dreams, trying to get you to write a check or give them a credit card, just so they can tell you that a patent filing and a brochure is going to solve all your problems. If that's what you're looking for, this channel, as I said, is not for you. This channel is about winning. This channel is about making real money, and the video series Think Like an Inventor shows you how to start thinking differently. So I hope you're as excited as I am to start learning how to be an inventor. Either go and watch this series, or if you've already finished it, let's get started designing something and get on your way to being an inventor.